Hi, I'm Brian Kershaw, Product Specialist in Filtration and Aftermarket with AMSOIL. And I'm here today to discuss the Ea15K88 Oil Filter for the Ford 6.0 and 6.4 liter diesels. The Ea15K88 is a unique filter due mainly because of the added components that are needed. Mainly the plastic clip that must be used in order for the filter to work properly, as well as the filter cap O-ring. Basically, you take the clip on top of the standpipe in the housing, you apply some pressure, it goes in, filter goes on, put the O-ring on the cap, securely locating it in its proper location, and tighten it down. Making sure that you get it completely snug and tight. It's just that easy. If you should have any more questions or need further information, please refer to the instruction sheet that is included with the filter, or please feel free to contact the AMSOIL Technical Service Department.